Hey guys, this is the channel of Random Minecraft stuff and more. I'm back with another clock video. What we're looking at here is a Seth Thomas Legacy V. This is one of the clocks that I got for Christmas 2020, which some of you may have heard about. And this is my first triple chime clock. Oh yeah. Also, if you can see me in the reflection, sorry about that. Alright. This is a very nice clock. And it came off of Facebook Marketplace for $40, and yes, I got it for Christmas. And it came complete. It even has its winding key, which I'll show you. This is the key right here. Oh yeah, this clock does have a little problem. It sometimes self-stops on its own when it like runs. There's probably some gunk buildup in the movement. I would clean the back pivots as best as I can. I might take the movement out. I'm thinking about taking the movement out and cleaning the front pivots. And probably lubricating this one. But yeah. Anyways, before we get to the chimes, I'll show you the mechanism. Okay. So here is the mechanism. Oh yeah. Alright, you can read that right there. Oh yeah, and here's the instructions for it. The date right here. I think it says June 20th, 1973, but I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, this is how you adjust the bounce wheel. Okay. Now I will show you the chimes. Okay. Now here are the chimes, beginning with the quarter after Whittington chime. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is a clock that chimed in the background, my Howard Miller Langeland. Oh yeah, there, and my Seiko on my nightstand right here. These clocks are all in my bedroom in my new house. You guys probably know the Seiko, but you don't know the Howard Miller. A video of this will be coming soon. Anyways, back to Seth Thomas. Alright. Next will be the half-hour Whittington chime. Okay, so now here's the half-hour chime. Alright, just wait for it. Oh yeah, sorry if you can see my hall. Also, another thing I have to say is that this is a triple chime clock with the Whittington, St. Michael's, and Westminster. I'll show you. Oh yeah, there's the Seth Thomas logo. Alright. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this is a triple chime clock, and I did want this clock for Christmas because it's a triple chime. Alright. Now we'll do the quarter till Whittington chime. Alright, now here's the quarter till chime. Alright, as you can see, the chimes on this one are loud. So I have to turn them off during the night because all the bedrooms are close to each other. And yeah, so I mean, I can still have them on just during the day, and the last chime is like at 9:45 at night, depending on the time. Alright, anyways, here's the full Whittington chime with the hour strike at 2 o'clock. Okay, now here's the full Whittington chime with the hour strike. Okay, now here is the St. Michael's chime, beginning on the quarter after. Okay, now here's a half-hour St. Michael's chime. Okay, now here's a quarter till St. Michael's chime. Okay, now here is a full St. Michael's chime within the hour strike. Again, sorry for the reflection. Now the Westminster chimes. Alright, starting with the Westminster chimes, we'll do the quarter after quarter hour. Okay. Now here's a half-hour Westminster chime. Again, sorry for the reflection. Okay. Now here's a quarter till Westminster chime. Okay, Now here's a full Westminster chime. That's my Seth Thomas Legacy V triple chime mantel clock. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. The channel for the Minecraft stuff and more out.